Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Vivo V23. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device, first one being on the bottom right here. Then next is located on top of the screen, and that is all of the speakers. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music. If the sound is coming from both of them, that's a stereo speaker. If not, then it's not. I'm also going to cover each of the speakers with my finger to identify if the sound is coming from it. So let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.